Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering up and preparing the Beats Fit Pro so pairing is smooth. First, charge both earbud and case batteries to at least 50%. Low power causes unstable connections. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the case open nearby so the earbuds enter pairing mode automatically. Make sure to install the Beats app if you want firmware updates and spatial audio controls. The app simplifies device naming and EQ presets. You now pair and optimize fit to get reliable sound and isolation. After the earbuds appear in your Bluetooth list, tap Beats Fit Pro to connect, accept any prompts. Next, use the Beats app fit test to verify a proper seal, rotate and tuck the wingtips for comfort and bass response. Then fine-tune audio. Enable spatial audio for immersive sound or turn on transparency when you need awareness. This ensures consistent performance while you move. Finish by mastering controls, charging habits, and a quick fix for problems. You'll use the force sensors to play, pause, skip, or activate voice assistants. Learn each press pattern so you don't fumble. When done, return earbuds to the case to charge. The case LED indicates battery level. If connections drop or pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is off then on. If issues persist, reset the case by holding its button for about 15 seconds to clear pairing and start.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.